In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best wall chasers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the wall chasers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the wall chasers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. KOTUMY 1001/1002 Wall Chaser. The KOTUMY 1001/1002 Industrial Wall Chaser is a robust electric wall slotting machine designed for precise wall groove cutting. Operating at 220V/110V with 1100W, 1200W power, it delivers high efficiency for concrete, brick, and masonry walls. Equipped with 25mm per 35mm knife heads and a load energy of 3200W, it ensures consistent cutting depth and width. Its 50 Hz frequency and 2000 R/min air speed provide smooth, accurate slots, making it ideal for professional renovation and construction teams seeking reliability and performance. CE certified for safety, this wall chaser is a durable choice for heavy-duty tasks. Number 4. ZJMZYM FC4072 Wall Slotting Machine. The ZJMZYM FC4072 Wall Chaser is a versatile 25/35mm slotting machine suitable for industrial and DIY projects. With dual voltage support, 230V/110V, and 1100W power, it efficiently handles concrete, brick, and masonry wall grooves. Adjustable slot width, 16 to 35mm, and depth, 16/25/35mm, offer precise control for clean and accurate cuts. Operating at 2000 R/min, it delivers stable performance with minimal vibration. Lightweight yet powerful, it's perfect for electricians and renovation professionals requiring precision and reliability. Its durable construction ensures long-term use in demanding work environments. Number 3. BODA CW135/CW145 Wall Chaser. The BODA CW135/CW145 brushless wall chaser is a fully automatic slotting saw designed for tile, brick, concrete, and masonry applications. With high-speed motors, 4600-7500 RPM, and a brushless design, it offers enhanced efficiency, lower maintenance, and longer lifespan. The CW135 features a slotting distance of 0 to 35mm and depth of 0 to 41mm, while the CW145 handles 0 to 45mm distance and depth. Waterproof and dustproof, this wall chaser ensures safe and precise cutting in professional renovation projects. Ideal for teams requiring speed, accuracy, and durability, it's a high-performance solution for modern wall slotting tasks. Number 2. CNCEST K1331 Wall Groove Chaser. The CNCEST K1331 electric wall groove cutting machine is a high-power 4800W slotting groover designed for brick, concrete, and masonry. Operating at 110V with a 360 degrees cutting angle, it features a diamond alloy saw blade, 133 by 20 by 4.5mm, capable of deep and wide grooves, up to 41mm depth, 42mm width. Its no-load speed of 6500 RPM ensures fast and precise cutting, while the 3-meter power cord allows flexibility on job sites. Made with copper, aluminum alloy, and nylon materials, it is durable and reliable for professional electricians, builders, and renovation teams seeking high efficiency in wall chases. Number 1. ZJMZYM JHS 1100 Wall Chaser. The ZJMZYM JHS 1100 Industrial Wall Chaser is a professional-grade electric slotting machine for concrete, brick, and masonry walls. Supporting 220V/110V with 1100W rated power, it offers precise wall grooves with adjustable blade diameters of 25/35mm, capable of cutting depths up to 30mm and widths of 25 to 35mm. It is ideal for industrial renovation projects. The circular saw design ensures smooth operation at 2000 R/min, and its durable construction guarantees long-term performance. Lightweight yet powerful, the JHS 1100 is perfect for electricians and renovation teams who demand accuracy, speed, and efficiency.